How to check history in Brave browser. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Brave browser app, and once you do that, click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen, then click on history. And here you will be able to find and see your search history on the Brave browser app. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find and see the search history on the Brave browser. If you have any questions, as usual, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.